Today we will do the revision of. Today we will revise the chapter and we will do the question answer as well. Okay, and I do welcome you in this class. We'll do the question answer of chapter 5, that is food. Okay, so let's start. The first question, if you are willing to answer that question, if you are willing to answer the question, you will raise your hand. Okay, you will raise your hand. Right. The first question before you is, what is food? If you wish to answer, you will raise your hand. What is food? Who will say? Anybody of you? Okay. Let me see. What is food? Ratan Priya, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Ratan Priya.
Sir.
Very good morning. What is
Morning,
food?
sir.
What is food, Ratan Priya?
Food is a substance that present in our food is to grow.
Okay. Now, next, after Ratan Priya, down your hands. Down your hands.
Okay,
Immediately you down your hands. Lower your hand. Then after Ratan Priya, it is Utkarsh Vaibhav. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Utkarsh Vaibhav.
Food is
Tell me, what is food?
help us to grow
Food help.
and give us
Okay. Okay.
food help to grow and give energy and also helps to us stay healthy.
Okay. Umang Yasraj.
Yes, sir. Food help us to grow and stay healthy to give us energy to work.
Right. Very good. Okay. Now it is the next term of next. It is I can see it is Aditi. Aditi, unmute yourself, Aditi. Aditi Kumari. Aditi Kumari, unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Food is a substance which gives us energy.
Food is a substance which gives us energy. Okay. Rishu, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Rishu, unmute yourself.
Food gives energy and grow them.
Food give energy and grow them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next it is Ankit Kumar. Ankit Kumar.
Food help us to grow and stay healthy to do work.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Next we have the Aditya Kumar. Aditya Kumar. Switch on your video, Aditya Kumar. Natikarya. Natikarya, unmute yourself. Rasi Rani, unmute yourself. Rasi.
Food help us to grow and stay healthy.
Okay. Very good. Now finally, I do take up it the notes. What is food? What will be its answer? What will be its answer? Answer. All of you have told that food is a substance. Food is a substance required by our body for growth and getting energy. Okay, I hope this is the definition. Next question we have. That is, why do we require energy? If you wish to answer, you will raise your hand. If you wish to answer, you will raise your hand. Why do we require energy? Why do we require energy? If you wish to answer, you will raise your hand. Ananya Priya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Why do we require energy?
Because
Why do we require energy? Next.
to do work.
Not definitely to do that, but you should be bold. Next, it is Ankit. Unmute yourself. Ankit.
Energy, the required food, it also give us energy to do work.
Okay. Shivansh.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Sir, we required energy for doing our work and performing our life.
Processes. Performing our life processes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is very good. Umang Yasraj. Unmute yourself. Umang Yasraj.
Sir, energy to do work.
Energy is required to do work, and energy is required, okay, for our life process also. Ragvi, 5F, and Ragvi and Prachi, 5F. Start your video and mute yourself. Ragvi and Prachi. Ragvi and Prachi. Okay, Natik Arya. Unmute yourself. Natik.
Body required energy to do work.
Body require energy to do work. Okay. And to perform our life process. Okay. Life process which will also be included in this. Okay. I hope you have got it. So let's pen it down. Please mute yourself, everybody. Okay. Mute yourself and down your hands. So why do we require energy? Let's pen it down. Why do we require energy? Answer. We require energy. Require energy to work and perform life processes. Okay, perform life processes. This is, I hope you have understood it. Why do we require energy? Next question to be answered is, what are nutrients? What are nutrients? Okay, so raise your hand. What are nutrients? Next, what are nutrients? Let me check. Abhinav Patnaik, mute yourself.
Sir, nutrients
Wait,
are
huh?
substance. Nutrients are substance that is needed to keep a living thing alive and to help it grow.
Okay. This is help us to grow. Okay, once again you can say
Grow.
next
The
month.
nutrient is a substance that is needed to keep a living thing alive and to help it grow.
Okay. Okay. Ananya Priya.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Nutrients are substances present in food that are required for proper growth and development of our body.
Okay. Aditi.
Yes. The substance present in food is called nutrients and it helps us to grow.
Ankit.
Nutrients are substance present in food that are required for proper growth and development of our body. Carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin and mineral are the main
Okay,
nutrients
mute,
that
mute
may
yourself.
be
Okay, thank you.
present in
Umang Yasraj. Umang Yasraj.
Nutrient are substance present in food, proper growth and that are proper growth and development to our body. Carbohydrate, protein, vitamin and mineral.
Utkarsh Vaibhav.
Nutrients are substance present in our body that helps us to grow and development of our body.
Okay. Ratan Priya.
Yes, sir. Nutrients are substances that present in our food that required proper growth and development of our body.
Okay. Finally, what you have said, this is, let us take it, let us write it down. What are nutrients? These are the substance. Nutrients, these are the substance. These are the substance present in the food stuff. So, stuff. These are the substance present in food stuff. Next, some of the nutrients present in the food. We have already answered it. You students have already answered it. And next, some of the nutrients present in the food. Okay. So what I will want that all of you should say what are the nutrients present in the food. Next, some of the nutrients present in the food.
carbohydrate,
Carbohydrates,
protein, vitamin and minerals.
are the main
Carbohydrate
that present in different food stuff.
vitamins, minerals,
Calcium.
vitamin and minerals.
Carbohydrates
The main nutrient that may be present
Okay.
in the
that
food stuff.
present in maybe food stuff.
Okay.
Sir, Rafi,
Okay. I can see that all of you have answered it. I know that all of you have, so I have not asked it personally. Next, the question is that define energy giving food. Yeah, energy giving nutrients. Define energy giving foods or energy giving nutrients. Okay. So who will answer this question? If you wish to answer question, you can raise your hand. What is energy giving food or energy giving nutrients? Tell me. Energy giving food or energy giving nutrients. Okay. Please raise your hand for these questions. Question to be asked again the next. You can raise your hand. You can raise your hand if you know this. Okay, define energy giving food or energy giving nutrients. Let me see. All the students, you must participate in the class. All the students. Well, I will ask that all of you please switch on your camera first. Please switch on your camera. Come on the screen. Come on the screen so that I could interact with you. Okay. Please switch on your camera. Keep your camera switch on. Okay. So Akriti. Next. That I could ask with everybody. Akriti, unmute yourself. Akriti Kumari.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is Akriti? What is energy giving food?
What is energy?
Okay. Nayak, can you tell it? Anna Patnaik.
Energy giving food give us energy.
Energy giving food. Unmute yourself, Patnaik. Anna Patnaik.
Give
Sir,
Yes.
the food which provide protection and provide energy
No, I have my question is that what is energy
to
giving
our
food?
body.
My question is what is energy giving food? My question is not regarding the protection. Okay. My question is regarding the energy giving food. Okay. What is energy giving food?
The food which has energy,
Okay. The food which has energy.
contains energy,
Okay. Now, Anya Priya.
that are called energy giving food.
Anya Priya, unmute yourself. Anya Priya.
Yes, sir.
Oh, if you are Anya
Yes, sir.
Priya. Okay. So, will you say this, Anya Priya? Start your video. Anya Priya.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is energy giving food?
Food.
What is energy giving food? I think you are having your brother in 6 or 7 class also. I think Anya. Ananya, you are or Anya.
Yes, sir.
I think he is in 6 or 7 months. Once I have left him for his home. So he is behind you, I think. Once he has gone home with
Yes, sir.
my bike during the lockdown. Don't you pay your attention on your studies? तो पढ़ना चाहिए ना? But pay your attention. What do you do at
Yes,
your
sir.
home? Pay attention. Right? Next time I will again ask with you and I expect answer from you. Okay. Rishuraj.
Okay, sir.
Rishuraj, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Rishuraj. What are energy giving food?
Energy giving food gives to energy and protect them.
No, not protect them. Okay. And not protect them, it is not correct. Okay. And Anushka Singh. Anushka Singh, unmute yourself. Anushka Singh.
Yes, sir. Food which provide
Wait 1 minute.
energy to our body is
Yes, tell me.
food which provide energy to our body is called energy giving food.
Like. Do you get energy by eating onion?
No, proteins, carbohydrates, fats.
Do you get energy? Do you get energy by eating onion? No. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Do you get energy by eating onion?
No, sir.
So my question is that what is energy giving food? Okay, but my question is what is energy giving food? The food which gives us energy. Right. This will be the appropriate answer. Okay. Rashi Rani. Rashi Rani. Unmute yourself, Rashi Rani.
The food which provide and the food which provide protein and provide energy
No,
to
beta.
our
No,
body.
no, 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 no. Okay, Natik, Arya, you tell me.
The food that present energy are called energy giving.
Okay. Ratan Priya.
Yes, sir.
Ratan Priya.
Sir, carbohydrates.
And only carbohydrate.
Oh, sir, carbohydrate and fats are two energy giving.
Okay. Let's take it down. Okay. I have asked and I have discussed with you all. After that, define energy giving. Define energy giving food. The food which gives us energy to do work. The food which give us energy to do work. This is called energy giving. These are called energy giving food. Okay. These food are called energy giving food. Energy giving food. Right. Now, what are two energy giving nutrients? Yeah, energy giving food. And I hope all of you will be able to answer it. What are the two energy giving food or energy giving nutrients? Can you tell me? What are the two energy giving food?
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate carbohydrate and fats. Which nutrient gives more energy? Now, I hope you have seen that there are two. Energy giving food. That first one is Abhinav Patnaik. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Tell me. Which energy giving food give us more energy? Which energy giving? Fat. So why do we take?
fat.
Why do we take carbohydrate? Why we?
Carbohydrate give us energy.
Carbohydrate give us energy. What about fat?
Energy.
What about fat?
Sir, fat give us more energy and warmth.
Fat give us. Ritika.
Sir, fat give us more energy.
Ritika, will you answer? Okay. Go on, Abhinav. Ritika, will you answer? Ritika, will you answer? No answer. Okay, Ritika is not willing to answer. It is very bad. Shiva, Nandini, will you answer it?
No, sir.
Will not answer. Why? Try yourself. Umang Yasraj. Tell me. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
What is which nutrient?
energy giving food.
Yes. Energy giving food.
Sir, energy giving food.
Hmm.
Carbohydrate and fat.
Which one gives more energy?
Sir, carbohydrate.
Then carbohydrate give us more energy. How many of you agree with him? Unmute yourself. How many of you agree? Okay. Okay. Anya, what is your opinion on this? What do you think? Give us more energy. Which give us more energy, Anya?
Fat.
That gives more energy. Then, do you eat fat?
Yes, sir.
Do you eat fat? Do you eat fat? Is your father there, Anya?
Yes.
Is your father
No,
there?
sir.
Is not there. Oh, your father
No,
is
sir.
doctor, and you should. Have you inquired something from your father that we should take more fat or less fat? Have you talked? Do you talk this thing in your family? Do you talk this thing in your family while eating?
No, sir.
Do you talk this thing with your mother? Should we eat to all student? I am asking this question. So you keep your camera switch on, then only I will ask with you. Okay, you keep your camera switch on. Come on the screen. Okay, learn public speaking. Okay, don't hesitate. Keep your camera switch on. I am saying this thing to everybody. Learn how to speak on the camera, on the screen. It will develop your confidence. So I am saying you. Okay. Now, see, when you are consuming more fat, okay, when you are taking more fat, eating more fat will make you fat, will make you obese, right? Eating more fat, taking more fat will make you obese. Obese means mota. Okay. So we should take less fat. We should take less fat. Okay. We should take only those much fat which should be oxidized, which should be used up. Okay. So this is about the fat. We should not, fat gives more energy, but it take more time. It is delay. Okay. It delay in giving energy. Sunny Kumar, somebody unmute yourself, Sunny. Sunny,
Yes, sir.
do you have any concept?
Yes, sir.
You are wearing spectacles, and I myself is also wearing spectacles. Okay. You are wearing spectacles. So which vitamin deficiency you are suffering from, and which vitamin deficiency I might be suffering from? Can you tell me? Sunny, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Adya, after so long time you have switched on your camera today. Adya, can you hear me, Adya?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
do you eat fat? Do you take fat?
Yes, sir.
More or less?
More.
What are the items which you take in fat? Which you take in fat?
Milk.
Milk,
Egg.
egg,
Rice.
ice. Students, is Adya correct? Is Adya correct, students?
No, sir. No,
No, sir.
no, sir.
No, not correct. Okay.
Okay.
So who will correct the Adya? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who will correct the Adya? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, Patnayak. Abhinav Patnayak. Raise your Umang.
Sir,
Umang and
egg.
wait 1 minute. Tell
Sir,
me.
egg. Sir, eggs. Then chocolate, dark chocolate,
Okay.
chia seed,
Okay.
nut and seed butter,
Okay.
nut,
Can you tell something? Ankit.
avocado,
Ankit.
Salt and sugar.
fatty fish.
Salt and sugar.
No, beta. It is not. My question is that which food stuff contain the fat? Okay, my question is that which food stuff contain fat? Okay, Abhinav,
Yes, sir. Yes,
tell
sir.
me, tell me.
Sir,
Which
there
food?
is avocado, fatty fish, egg, dark chocolate,
My
chia
question,
seed,
my question is
and
about
nut
the
and
fats.
peanut butter.
Nut, seed, and butter. Okay. So, Adya, do you eat? Should you eat fat more? Go and ask your mother. You go and ask your mother and come here back again. Don't switch off your camera. Go and ask why we should not eat fat more. Okay? Why we should not eat fat more? Fat ज़्यादा नहीं खाना चाहिए. क्यों? You inquire this thing with your family. You should talk all this thing with your family members. Okay. Now let me ask another one. You inquire it, Adya. And next, Ratan Priya. Ratan Priya.
Yes, sir.
Ratan Priya. Should you?
Yes, sir.
What are you eating, Ratan Priya, right now? What are you eating?
Sir, आलू बैंगन का सब्जी और रोटी.
अच्छा, आलू बैगन का सब्जी and roti. So it is not a good.
Yes.
It is not the good way. And right now you are studying and you should not eat at this time. Okay, there is a separate time. Okay, while reading you should not do it. Meanwhile, I will like to ask roti sabji and बैगन की सब्जी. Okay, so roti. What does it contain?
Yes.
What does it contain? Which food stuff it contains?
Sir, carbohydrate. Sir, carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. Okay. And next, aloo or बैगन की सब्जी you told na? What does potato contain?
Yes, sir.
What does potato contain?
Sir, fat.
Potato contain
Sir,
fat.
fat.
Does potato contain fat, students? All of
No,
you?
sorry, sir.
Does contain potato fat?
Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate.
Okay. It contains carbohydrate. Okay. So, and what about the brinjal? What does it contain? Adya? Adya will say. Adya Prakash, unmute yourself. What does brinjal contain?
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. Brinjal contain carbohydrate. Tell me, Ratan Priya, from next time you will not eat during the class. Okay, it is strictly prohibited. It is very bad. It is very bad. I will take it very seriously from the next time. Okay, tell me. Now you switch off your camera and you come up straightening it. Tell me, Abhinav Patnaik, what does brinjal contain?
Yes, sir.
What does brinjal contain? Brinjal.
Sir,
What does brinjal contain? Utkarsh, unmute yourself. Utkarsh.
Sir, brinjal contains protein.
Brinjal contain protein. Brinjal do not contain protein. Okay, next. Other student. Akriti. Akriti, will you unmute yourself? Akriti. Akriti.
Yes, sir.
She has said that she is taking brinjal.
Yes,
So
sir.
what does brinjal contain? Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin. What does it contain? Tell me.
Carbohydrate.
No. What I have taught you?
Carbohydrate.
No. Okay, Raghavi. Raghavi.
Yes, sir.
What does brinjal contain?
Protein.
Protein.
Sir,
Hmm.
vitamins.
Vitamins. Vitamins. चलो ठीक है, vitamins and mineral it will be okay. It will be vitamin and minerals. Okay. So let's write down. Which nutrient give us more energy? So what we have concluded? Which nutrient give us more energy? Tell me, unmute all of you. Which nutrient give us more energy?
carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. Okay, carbohydrate.
This answer is carbohydrate.
Gives more energy. Carbohydrate gives more energy or fat gives more energy? Fat is
Fat.
more. So fat gives more energy, but it takes more time.